We need to know several ports and protocols for various CompTIA and some Microsoft exams. These are the objectives from 220-901, the CompTIA A+ exam. These are objectives from N10006, the Net Plus CompTIA exam. This is SY0-401, the Sec Plus exam. And this is the MTA networking exam. This is just a few of the ports and protocols we need to know. And we're going to look a little bit closer at the bottom one here, Remote Desktop Protocol, port 3389. To demonstrate Remote Desktop Protocol, I'm going to use a couple of virtual machines that I'm using for free from Microsoft TechNet Virtual Labs. I have a Windows 7 computer available named Win7 and a Windows 10 computer available named Win10. And I'm going to remote from the Windows 7 computer to the Windows 10 computer. I'll go down here to start. And in the search area, I'll type Remote Desktop Protocol or Remote Desktop Connection. Now select it. And now I just enter the name of the computer. It needs to be on the same network. And I've already been on there once, so it defaulted to that, WIN10. I'll click connect. And I'll need my account that enables me to log into the other computer. And in this virtual environment, I can get it from here, command, password, and OK. And now I'm inside the Windows 10 computer. And we can tell with this here, if I want to get back to my main computer, I can just minimize this. Now we're back to the Windows 7 computer, and here is the minimize icon for the Windows 10 computer. We can just click to open it back up. We could unpin this if we'd like. Just click here. And now as we work on the screen, we won't have this. Unless we hover here, then we can get it back. I'm going to go ahead and pin it back. And now we can tell from the icon that we're actually working in Windows 10 now. And we could use this Windows 10 computer just as if we were on it. So whatever we apply to this Windows 10 computer will actually happen to that computer. And hopefully as we play around with Remote Desktop Protocol, it will become easier and easier to remember the port number of 3389. But if we still have trouble remembering 3389 for Remote Desktop Protocol, we can start thinking of mnemonics, or maybe a memory palace. Imagine hiking out in a remote location at the Arctic, coming upon an outpost that has a desk. And on that desk, you might see the numbers 3389. Or you might try turning some of the creatures into numbers or numbers into creatures. Let's take a look at their horns. Those kind of look like threes. And you might even see the shape of a 9 in a body there, or maybe even an 8. And if you have the Tiny Cards app, do a search for Security Plus Ports and Protocols for my public cards to help learn the ports and protocols.